Dear students, good morning to you, all of you. So in my last lecture, we studied specific heat and molar specific heat at constant pressure and volume. Now our next article is heat equation. So what is meant by heat equation? So let us consider if Q is the heat received or given out to the body. Suppose M is the mass of a body, S is the specific heat, delta T is the change in temperature. Then we write heat equation is given by specific heat, or we write heat received or given out Q is equal to mass into specific heat into change in temperature. So we got formula Q equal to MS delta T. So that equation is called as heat equation. Now we define what is meant by heat capacity or thermal capacity. Heat capacity or thermal capacity is defined as heat needed to raise or lower the temperature of a whole body by 1 degree Celsius or 1 degree Kelvin. That means when we substitute value of delta T is equal to 1 in heat equation. Here we substitute value of delta T is equal to 1. So we got heat capacity Q equal to M into S. Here M is the mass of body, S is the specific heat. Now we calculate its SI unit. So we write here Q equal to unit of mass is kilogram, unit of specific heat is joule per kilogram degree Celsius. Here kilogram cancel out, so we got unit of heat capacity is joule per degree Celsius. Now our next point is calorimetry. In calorimetry we have to define what is meant by calorimeter. For calorimeter there is a diagram. So in that diagram see, so that is the insulating jacket which is made up of wooden box. Here after that there is a constant temperature enclosure which is made up of wood is kept in between the wooden box. After that we kept there is a calorimeter vessel which is made up of steel or aluminium or copper. This box is fitted with an insulating lid such as wood or ebonite. There are two holes in that wooden box. In one hole we kept a thermometer and another hole there is a stirrer which is kept in between. So water is poured into the calorimeter. So this whole arrangement is known as calorimeter. Now we can demonstrate what is meant by calorimeter practically. So first we see that calorimeter is a cylindrical copper vessel kept on wood support, that is the wooden support. It is included in an insulating jacket such as wooden box with lid. The lid has two narrow holes. So there are two holes. For one is for thermometer, another is for a stirrer. So outer surface and the inner surface of calorimeter are polished to reduce the exchange of heat between calorimeter and surrounding by radiation. The space between the calorimeter and the copper vessel or wooden, there is a wool. That wool is kept in between them. So that is called as copper vessel, and that copper vessel is known as calorimeter. So one stirrer is kept here when we pour a water into calorimeter. So we substitute here, this calorimeter is fixed here. After that we have to substitute here the water Then this thermometer is inserted here. So that is the thermometer. So that is the total arrangement of the calorimeter which you have seen in our diagram. Stirrer, thermometer, lead. This is wooden box. In between wooden box we have to kept here the calorimeter. Was